Give this guy a cut. Oh, yeah. Yeah, chicken thigh sandwich. What's up? Look at that steam coming off. Oh, it's beautiful. Pepper jack chicken thigh sandwiches. Let's go, people. Come on, let's get involved. Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we are going to be grilling up some pepper jack chicken thighs on the green egg, and we're going to be doing some sandwiches out of that. It's going to be awesome. You guys need to hang tight for that. Who is coming over tonight? Guys, we have Steve Wheeler back on guitar, along with Arthur Zaragoza. We have Ian Atkinson on the keys, Kevin Peffer on bass guitar, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! All right, so for these chicken thighs, what I've done is I've got some Fireshire right here from this W sauce, and I've already pre-marinated all this stuff. It's been sitting in the fridge for a few hours. If you can let it go overnight, that's good, but got it a couple hours, so we're gonna see how it does. We're gonna be popping it on the green egg about 450 degrees. We're gonna be putting on some pepper jack cheese along with some bacon and toasting up our buns and putting these together. So let's get involved. Let's go. It's time to put these chicken thighs on. Here we go. All right, we'll be right back. You guys enjoy these jams. While these are cooking, I'm gonna throw on some BBQ Jams Rub. Why not? Great, smelling good. All right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, let's give them a flip. All right, cool. See you guys back here in a second. Look at that. Woo! Douche. All right. These chicken sandwiches are all ready to be eaten right now. I'm going to bring on the crew. They are starving. They can't wait to get a hold of these things. And so who do we have over here, guys? We've got Arthur Zaragoza. Yeah. What's up, dude? Welcome back, sir. You excited? Good to see you. Good to see you.
Amazing.
Oh man, I know they're gonna be. I can't wait to tear into these things. I got to get these guys on before we. Well, hey, look, we got Kevin Peffer over here. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Welcome back, sir.
So good to be back.
I know, man.
I can't wait.
Oh wow. Hey, look, we also have Ian Atkinson over here. What's up, dude? You excited?
Yeah, man. I
Oh
can't
man, I can't wait to tear on these things too. And we also have Steve Wheeler in the house. Come on, down.
Not a tall person. Thank you.
All right, guys. Without further ado, you ready to jump in?
Let's go.
Everybody, come in. Grab a sandwich if you want. I can chop some of these in half, or you can just grab your whole one. Whatever you guys want to do. Yeah. Just grab a whole one, buddy. Go for a whole one, dude. Oh, look at that.
Cheers.
Chicken cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Chicken cheers.
Don't use your whole body.
I didn't do that. That was terrible. Ooh, nice chicken Sammy, huh?
Superior.
Texture.
Whoa.
Crispy.
Oh man. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a nice, classic, very good chicken sandwich right there. A little bit of heat from that Fireshire. Very good. And that pepper jack's giving it a nice little zing too. That's really good. Oh, Mazzy wants to get a hold of one. He's so bad. Oh man, that is nice. Just a little bit of heat right on the back end.
So
Nothing
juicy.
too crazy. Oh man. Oh, beautiful. You guys need to check out these chicken sandwiches. They're excellent. I know it's nothing terribly complicated, but sometimes it doesn't have to be. Just gotta go in for a nice chicken sandwich. Guys, thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna bring some other guys on. So who do we else? Do we have Martine? You want to come on?
I'll do it.
Okay. We're gonna have Martine come in. What's up, bro?
How you doing, brother?
Doing well, doing well.
All
You wanna
right.
get involved in one of these sandwiches?
Yes.
And it's not that spicy at all. I promise.
You know, I'm used to it now.
Used to the heat, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Magic. There you go. This is a nice chicken
Crispy.
sandwich, right? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's perfect.
Nice bacon in there. Tomato, nice fresh lettuce. Man, beautiful.
Oh, man.
Bro, thanks for getting
Excellent.
involved as
Excellent.
always. Seriously. All right, guys. We're going to tear up these chicken sandwiches. You guys check out these jams, like and subscribe. You know the drill. Come on, people. An excellent show again tonight. Those chicken sandwiches were killer. What'd you guys think of those things tonight?
Killer.
So good. Oh my God, you got to try those out. That Fireshire, definitely get a little heat on the end of that. Other than that, guys, hope you guys are liking and subscribing. We're having a great time over here. You guys get involved. Let's go. Come on. Woo! Yeah.